Aloha, it's Diana Hegman with eXp Realty, and we're back at Kiahuna Plantation. We're checking out unit 427 today, which is coming on the market in the next few days or so. But definitely want to do a quick video walkthrough before it ends up on the market. So here's our front view. So can't see it, but the grill is on the other side of that tree. This unit is located on the second floor of a 3-story building. So not too many steps coming out to your unit. And I love this unit. It's one of the more upgraded units here at Kiahuna Plantation. I can't wait to share it with you. So upon entry, you'll notice the vinyl plank flooring. All the walls have been painted white. Cute decorations everywhere. So to our left is our bedroom. Nicely furnished. So these owners are actually big fans of Two Frogs Hugging and Aspire, which are the two high-end furniture companies here on island. And luckily, the new owners will get to experience the benefits of that. So this unit comes completely furnished, and if you like, they actually can convey with the bookings as well. I believe that's a quartz countertop. They have recessed lighting installed. And this used to be a closet. So they've actually removed that closet and drywalled it so that way they could expand this bathroom. Soft closing drawers, just very nicely upgraded. Here's our bathroom. They've tiled the shower as well. There's really nothing that you need to do with this unit at all. Just purchase it, either make it your home, or you can actually vacation rent it. You'll notice the AC has been installed. Great furniture. So again, this used to be a closet, so they've drywalled it and made it a lot more usable. Here's their brand new kitchen. They've blown out that wall. Installed cabinets, countertops, appliances. Oh, they're stainless, by the way. And check out that backsplash. They're extremely detail-oriented, so you'll notice that everything is organized. I love it. Here's the other side. Here's your dining area. Let's do another quick look at this unit. Our lanai. And finally our view. Alright, we hope you guys like it. Aloha.